Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Tallapreddy Venkatakrishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims there to success made in India. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you direction cosines and direction ratios chapter, some questions. So this type of questions will also helpful all state board exams like Andhra Pradesh, CBSE, ICSE, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, like all state board exams in India level. Some students asked me they are having difficult direction cosines, direction ratios chapter questions. You don't worry, my dear students. Today I wanted to explain you step by step with a neat and cute logic with magic explanation, especially made for you. I wanted to explain the question. Find the angle between the lines whose direction cosines satisfy the equations. First equation is L plus M plus N is equal to 0 and L square plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. Direction cosines and direction ratios chapter questions I wanted to explain you simple and smart, super speed, 100% sure success, surprise, shortcut made easy, tips and tricks solution with a neat and cute logic with a magic step-by-step explanation, especially made for you, my dear students. You can listen and follow my explanation. I wanted to explain you aims there to success solution. First of all, we wanted to find the angle between the lines. What are the lines? First of all, given line is first line L plus M plus N is equal to 0. From this I wanted to take L value plus M coming into right side minus M plus N coming into right side minus N. This L value substitute in second equation. What is the second equation? Given L square plus M square minus N square equal to 0. In this line you can substitute L value. That is here minus M minus N is N value. I wanted to take minus common. M plus N whole square is whole square plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. Here minus to the power even number means you can take positive symbol. Why? Because minus into minus plus. So this can be written as M plus N whole square plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. A square is A into A, like that. M plus N whole square is M plus N into M plus N plus A square minus B square can be written as A plus B into A minus B. Like this, M square minus N square is M plus N into M minus N is equals to 0. From first and second values, M plus N is repeating. M plus N is repeating. The remaining value is M plus N plus M minus N is equal to 0. M plus N will be same. Here plus N minus N cancelled. The remaining value is M plus M is 2M is equals to 0. Here two bracket values you can take two cases. M plus N is equal to 0, case 1. 2M is equals to 0, second case. M is equals to N coming into right side minus N. Next M is equals to 0 by 2 is 0. According to the given question, L is equals to minus M minus N. Here I wanted to use that value. L is equals to minus M minus N. Here I wanted to substitute M value. We get L is equal to minus M value minus N same. So L is equals to minus into minus plus N minus N. Plus N minus N get cancelled 0. Therefore L value is 0. Next M value is minus N. N is N only. So I wanted to write ratio wise. L is to M is to N is equal to L value 0 is to M value minus N is to N value N only. Here same value N get cancelled. I wanted to write L comma M comma N equal to. Here you can write a coefficient 0 minus 1 comma 1. And now I am going to case 2. Same L is equal to minus M minus N. Here I wanted to use. Okay, M value 0 I wanted to substitute here. We get L is equal to minus M value 0 minus N. L is equal to 0 or minus 0. You can leave it minus N. Here you can write L value is minus N and M value is 0. Next these are values related to N. You can write N is N only. Next I wanted to write L is to M is to N ratio. L value is minus N is to M value is 0 is to N is N only. So in ratio wide similar value N get cancelled. I wanted to write like L comma M comma N value. I wanted to write here only coefficient, that is minus 1 0 1. After getting this part, now we wanted to go to one more time question. Find the angle between the lines. So I wanted to write angle formula. What is the angle formula? Angle cos theta equals to mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by, here I will tell you one logic to remember easily, root A square plus B square plus C square. Write 2 times root A square plus B square plus C square. It is very easy to remember the formula. Mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by 2 times you can write root A square plus B square plus C square. Root A square plus B square plus C square. But first root write suffix 1. You will get root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. Second root you can write 2 in suffix root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Therefore angle cos theta is equal to mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. If you know formula you can write directly. If you don't know formula you can follow my logic. You will get a formula easily. Here my dear students you can write this is A1, this is B1 and this is C1. According to second point this is A2, this is B2 and this is C2. Now you have to substitute values. Cos theta is equals to mod A1 का value 0 into A2 का value minus 1 plus B1 का value minus 1, so plus minus minus 1, B2 का value 0 plus C1 का value 1, C2 का value also 1, C2 का value 1 divided by under root of a1 square 0 square plus b1 square minus 1 whole square plus c1 square 1 whole square into second root is a2 square minus 1 whole square plus b2 square 0 whole square plus c2 square is 1 whole square. So as it is, I have substituted all values according to values a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Now simplification method, students. 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0 plus 1 1 1 divided by under root of 0 square 0 plus minus 1 to the power even number, that becomes positive. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 square is 1 into root of minus 1 whole square is 1 now, plus 0 square is 0 only, plus 1 square is 1 now. Normal simplification, we get cos theta is equals to 1 by root of 1 plus 1 is 2 into root of 1 plus 1 is 2. So this can be written as 1 by root 2 into root 2 is 2. In terms of cos, from the trigonometry table values, 1 by 2 का value cos 60. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. According to trigonometry table, cos 60 is 1 by 2. So left side cos, right side cos get cancelled. Therefore, angle theta is equals to 60 degrees is the simple and smart, sweet, required answer for the given question. L plus m plus n is equal to 0 and l square plus m square minus n square is equal to 0. If you want to do like this type of or different type of questions with my neat and cute logic with magic step-by-step explanation, so many questions are there in the description box. It is in below of this video. You can go through those shortcuts, those questions. You have to save your 100% of your time. 100% success will comes you. I wish you all the very best. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. Joy of sharing is caring and helping.